Well, I think you need to actually finish a game and then start a new game for Untapped to work. Oh no, maybe it works anyway. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Okay, don't haste us. I only have 6 life points somehow. Yikes. Yikes. Oh wow. Wonder what their goose card does. I shall discard that before it's too late. Oh, there's Luras too, you know. I would love a Luras. This goes exiled somehow. Not sure how exactly. Oh, from the grief. Right, that makes sense. And their best card is Croxa. Whoa. How are you supposed to be? Oh, it's hasted. By discarding the Croxa, I lose to the Croxa. Well, that's great, isn't it? Wow. I thought they would fetch a 1 rank or something. You know, they would